have you ever heard that programming is super hard? Like you need to be a math genius or some kind of wizard to do it? Well, I'm here to tell you that's just not true. The real problem isn't programming itself, but how it's usually explained. So let's break it down in a way that actually makes sense. At its core, programming is simply telling a computer what to do step by step. That's it. Think about it like this. Imagine you're re-explaining to a friend how to make a cup of tea. What would you say? First, boil some water. Next, put a tea bag in a mug. Then, pour the hot water over the tea bag. Finally, let it steep for a few minutes. You just gave your friend a set of clear, sequential instructions. Congratulations, that's the basic logic of programming. Computers are a lot like that friend who needs precise instructions. They don't guess what you want. They don't have intuition. They just follow the commands you give them, one after another, exactly as you wrote them. These commands are written in special languages that computers can understand, like Python, JavaScript, or C++. You've probably heard of these before. Each one is just a different tool for giving the computer its to-do list. Now, why does this even matter? Well, take a look around you. The smartphone in your hand, the website you're watching this on, your favorite video games, even the AI tools that are blowing up right now, every single one of them is built with programming. It's the invisible engine that powers our entire digital world. Learning to program means you can go from just using technology to actually building it. You can create your own websites, develop an app, automate boring tasks, or even build the next big thing in AI. It's an incredibly powerful skill that opens up a world of creative possibilities. It's like learning a superpower for the modern age. So, if you've ever been curious but felt intimidated, I hope this helps you see programming in a new light. It's not about complex math formulas. It's about logical thinking and problem solving, just like making that cup of tea. It's a skill anyone can learn with the right guidance. If you're ready to take the first step and learn how to bring your own ideas to life, like this video, hit that subscribe button and comment start down below. Let's begin this journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.